Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to HowitKlics. Today I'm diving deep into the fascinating world of 3D printers. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned techie, you're gonna love this. So how do 3D printers actually work? Well, imagine creating any object you want, layer by layer. That's right. 3D printing or additive manufacturing builds objects one thin slice at a time. Let's break it down. First up, you need a digital 3D model. This could be designed using CAD software or downloaded from online repositories like Thingiverse. Once you have this digital blueprint, it's time for the printer to step in. The 3D printer reads this digital file and starts the printing process. Most common 3D printers use a technique called fused deposition modeling, or FDM. Here, thermoplastic filament is heated until it melts, then extruded through a nozzle. The printer lays down this material layer by layer, each one fusing to the layer below it. You've got other methods too. Stereolithography, or SLA, uses a laser to harden liquid resin into solid layers. Selective laser sintering, or SLS, fuses powdered material with a laser. Each method has its own strengths, whether it's speed, precision, or material flexibility. Now, let's talk about the tech behind it. The heart of a 3D printer is its control system. This includes the printer's firmware and electronics that control the motors and heating elements. The printer's brain processes the digital model, slicing it into manageable layers, and then orchestrates the printing process with precision. And what about materials? Early 3D printers mostly used plastics like ABS and PLA. But today, printers can work with a variety of materials, from metals to ceramics, even food and living cells. This versatility is opening up new frontiers in industries like aerospace, healthcare, and fashion. Now, a quick word on the evolution of 3D printing. The concept isn't new. It started back in the 1980s with Charles Hull inventing the first 3D printer using SLA technology. Since then, we've seen massive advancements, from industrial-grade machines to affordable home printers. Today, you can even buy a decent 3D printer for a few £100. So why is 3D printing such a game changer? Well, it allows for rapid prototyping, meaning designers can quickly create, test, and refine their ideas. It's also revolutionizing custom manufacturing. Need a bespoke component or a unique piece of art? Print it, and there you have it. A quick yet thorough dive into how 3D printers work and their impact on the future of manufacturing. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech deep dives. Thanks for watching.